5 Instagrammable places in Barcelona you shouldn't miss. Number 1. Sagrada Familia. If you're looking for things to do and see in Barcelona, stay tuned. One of the most famous cathedrals in the world, this iconic structure is simply too good to be missed and probably the most popular photo spot in Barcelona. For an unforgettable experience, visit the Terrazza Air rooftop bar. From the terrace, take in the incredible views of the cathedral and capture a token photo for your Instagram feed. Number 2. The Magic Fountain. This should be on every photographer's list of places to visit in Barcelona. The Magic Fountain was built on the side of Montjuïc Hill. It runs a daily sound and light show which draws large crowds. No trip to Barcelona would be complete without a visit here. Number 3. Arc de Triomphe. Everyone knows about the one in Paris, but did you know Barcelona has one too? Slightly smaller and made of red bricks, this arch has its own unique identity in comparison to its neighbors. It's a must-visit site and a place to capture some memorable photos. Don't leave this off your list of things to do in Barcelona. Number 4. Barceloneta Beach. Enjoy a stroll down the promenade that runs the length of the seafront and discover one of the coolest places the city has to offer. Outdoor art, palm trees, interesting architecture with various promenades, and beach life. Create the perfect ingredients for your Instagram feed. Travel photography lovers, make sure to bring your camera. Number 5. Casa Mila. You cannot leave Barcelona without visiting one of the architectural highlights of the city. This iconic building's exterior can be enjoyed from street level. If you want to see one of the best places to photograph in Barcelona, the real highlight is the perspective you get on the roof. We highly recommend this, as it has some fantastic unconventional shapes and a great travel photography spot. Capturing memories are just as important as your trip. Make sure to check out this playlist for more Instagrammable places around the world.